Next 104. So this question was asked in 2024, 6th April, shift 2. Step T denotes the largest integer less than or equal to T if, so what was the question? Copy it. Integral 0 to 3 step of x square plus step of x square by 2 is equal to, okay, dx is there. Okay, if you solve this integral, then they are saying that this value is equal to a plus b into root 2 minus root 3 minus root 5 plus c into root 6 minus root 7. And a, b, c are integers only, then a plus b plus c is equal to how much? You have to take that x square as a t. X square as t, then x value automatically root t. So therefore, if x square lies between, and take a look at the limits also, x square step value lies between from 0 to 3 means you can take up to the square root values like 0 less than or equal to step of x square less than or equal to, you can take root 9. So integer by integer, you have to expand this entire problem. So starting root 1 is 1 only, but we will write root 1. Okay. From 0 to root 1, what is the step value? 0 only. Okay. Dx. In this way, you should write, remember. And next root 1 to root 2. What is the root value then? Root 1 is 1 only. Okay. Step value 1. Between these two, always the lower limit will be the quotient here. Look at this. In this way, you should write. Plus, what is the next number? Root 2 to root 3. So which one comes first then in this case? Root 2, 2, right? 2 comes here. 2 dx because x square it was. Plus, what is the next number? Root 3 to root 4. What is the next number comes? Root 3. 3 dx. Okay. Next number, come by step by step. Root 4 to root 5. Root 4 to root 5. What is the number comes? 4. Next, root 5 to root 6. Which one comes? 5 dx. Okay, next number. Root 6 to root 7, 6 comes here. Understood? Next 7, right? Root 7 to root 8. So 7 dx. And next root 8 to root 9. And for the second also, I'm using different color to show the difference. If you are solving the second function, take this x square by 2 as t. Okay, then it will be 2 t's. In 2 t's, it is varying. And same function will be 2t, remember? And same procedure like this. Okay, practically you can understand. So I am not solving from 0 to root 1, root 2, and step value is 0. First part of the problem. Look at the first value, 0 dx is 0 and 1 dx is x. Okay, we will write that. Integral 0 is 0 under limits 0 to root 1. Next number is 1 into x under limits 1 to root 2. And next number is 2 into x under limits root 2 to root 3. Next 3 into x only, okay, root 3 to root 4. And next 4 into integral x Lower limit is root 4 and upper limit is root 5. And 5 times of x into under limits root 5 to root 6. You can write directly also, but step by step I am solving. 6 times of x root 6 to root 7 and 7 x of root 7 to root 8 and the last value 8 of x of root 9 to root 8 and I am changing the color. Now see, the first number is 0, 0 dx is 0 only, plus 1 into x of root 2 to root 4 plus 2 into x of root 4 to root 6 plus 3 into x of root 6 to root 8 plus 4 into x of root 8 to root 9. Root 9. Of course, 3 it is. Now, solve this one. Try these values. It is 0, first value, and root 2 minus 1, 1 into. Next, 2 into root 3 minus root 2. Next, 3 into upper limit minus lower limit, root 4 minus root 3. So, 4 into root 5 minus root 4 plus 5 into root 6 minus root 5 plus 6 into root 7 minus root 6 plus 7 into root 8 minus root 7 plus 8 into root 9 minus root 8. Okay. And use red color. Plus 1 into root 4 minus root 2 plus 2 into root 6 minus root 4 plus 3 into root 8 minus root 6 plus 4 into root 9 minus root 8. Okay, let's solve this, all values. Check how many root 1s is there. Only minus 1 is there, right? Root 1s, minus 1. How many root 2s is there? So what we needed, we will extract those numbers only. Why we will do all the values, huh? What we needed, we will do extraction of that numbers. So what are ABC coefficients? Take a look at this. Root 2 coefficient B, constant is A, and root 6. Root 2, root 6 coefficient is needed and constant is needed. Rational number is needed. Actually, all these are irrational, no? Rational number is needed. If you simplify all these numbers, A you will get A value, you will get 31, B value minus 6 and C value, I already solved the numbers, minus 2. Okay, therefore A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C is equal to 31 minus 6 minus 2. How much it is? 23. So therefore the answer is 23 for this question. Understood this one? Copy it.